morning. Actually, it's not morning. It is 1:20 already in the afternoon, and I have not started this vlog today because I have been unmotivated to vlog, if I'm being completely honest, and I've been on my computer all morning doing like computer stuff, so I didn't really think that was interesting for you guys to watch. And yeah, but it is 1:20 now. I'm going to get ready. I washed my hair this morning, but I am gonna do my hair, probably do a little bit of makeup, and then get dressed because I'm obviously still in my pajamas. So I'm gonna get ready, get dressed, and then Alex and I are gonna go to Ikea. I know I just went with my cousin, but I'm gonna go again with Alex. And then I really want to go to Société, just to walk around and look at the stuff that's way too expensive that I cannot afford, but is really, really nice. So we're gonna go do that. And then my cousin texted me and asked me if I wanted to come over for dinner tonight. Her roommate's not there. Well, Bryce. I say her roommate, but you guys have met Bryce before. So Bryce is not there tonight, so she's like, you want to come have dinner? We could have a girls' night. And I'm like, yeah, I'm down for that. Let's just get me out of the apartment a bit and let's do some fun stuff. So I'm gonna go over to her house this afternoon. Well, actually for dinner. And we're probably gonna make Greek bowls. I think like that's one of her favorite recipes that we showed her while she was living here. So we're gonna make Greek bowls, which is gonna be a lot of fun. Probably watch a movie or just talk. I don't know. I'm really not sure yet, but I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. So I'm gonna get ready, and then we're gonna head out the door, and I'm really, really excited about it. So let's get ready. And just like that, my hair is done, my makeup is done. I'm going for very, very natural, so I didn't even do mascara. Just don't want mascara. And then I'm gonna put some lip balm because my lips are very, very dry. They have been so dry since winter started. Obviously, like, it just makes sense, but it's not fun. I'm not liking this at all. So we're gonna put some chapstick on, and just to hydrate them. I just need to get dressed, and then we're gonna head out the door, and I'm super excited. I think we're gonna have a lot of fun. All right, so OOTD, I've got some blue mom jeans, a blue crew neck from Aritzia. These jeans are from Garage. I think they're like 3 or 4 years old. And then we're gonna put Air Force Ones and a puffer jacket. And then Alex is going in his usual jeans and hoodie.
Just the usual.
Well, I mean, this is my usual too. But I would say I usually put leggings on.
Yeah, that's true.
And
more comfortable. Yeah,
but I did the effort today, and I'm wearing a pair of jeans, so we are proud of me for that. So we're heading out the door. I love the all blue look, although on the camera the two blues look very different, but in real life they're not as different than they are on the camera. So I know it's picking up kind of weird, but believe me, in real it looks really nice. We've made it to Ikea. We just came in and we're in the first little setup. I really like the green kitchen. I think it looks really, really nice. The green with the black just looks really nice. And then you could also have like a contrast of like white cupboards. I think that could look really cute. I just love Ikea. I love walking around Ikea. This is the most like fun thing to do. It's a lot of fun. And then we're going to Société. It's gonna be fun.
Right beside.
Yay! I said this in one of my last vlogs when we came to Ikea, but like the lighting in this bathroom is unreal. It is so cool. Like, this is for sure like the kind of lighting that I would want in my future bathroom. Ikea has this new setup for desks where they have like gaming rooms, and Alex is trying to convince me that this is what we need in our apartment for him to be able to game with his friends.
Yeah.
And then he would also need a new computer to go with it because he's gaming on his MacBook, and that's not ideal. So
I only play one. I can only play one game.
So it would be an expensive transformation. So I'm gonna go with no for now. But maybe in a year or two. I said when we have a house, he can have a gaming place if he really wants one.
Oh, well, I don't know by that time, huh?
We'll see. All right, we're done at Ikea and we are walking out. We're gonna walk to the Home Society and we're gonna go look around. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun looking around here. Gave us a lot of info. So now we're gonna go walk around in Home Society, and I'm really sorry if you guys can't see me. I have the sun directly in my face. This right here is my dream mirror. It is ginormous, but it's also $1,500. But like, this is literally my dream mirror. It's so nice. Also, what do we think of these chairs? Are they comfy?
They
Yeah, they're cute. Imagine a cute little corner with a little table in between, like a really small table.
Yeah.
I think that would be so cute. Oh my god.
A fireplace, I feel like.
Near a fireplace?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that would be cute. Yeah, I love this. Honestly, Home Society is literally like my entire aesthetic. I love this store. My goal in life is to make enough money to be able to buy all my furniture here because it is so cute. Alex just found the most comfy chair in this entire store. And I don't think he's getting up anytime soon.
I'm gonna take a nap.
It's actually super comfy, guys, but it's $1,000. So like we're not gonna get it, obviously. I think this whole store is like over our budget. We can't afford anything in here. But it's really fun to look at. I think it's really nice. Also, they have like really big mirrors everywhere, which is really cool also. And like the decor is just so nice. I love it so much. This is so cute. The little setup with like the really big windows, the little Christmas trees, and then the 2 chairs because I'm sitting on one of them, and then the couch. Like this is just such a nice store. I love it. Also, the sun is so cute coming through the trees. It's so cute. We just found the cloud couch dupe that Home Society has, and it is so comfy. The material is really, really nice, and these covers can come off and you can wash them, which is really practical and what you need when you're buying a white couch. But like honestly, this is my dream couch. Like I can see myself later in life in my house having this, watching a really nice movie with my kids and Alex, sitting in our big huge cloud couch. Imagine during Christmas time just being sitting in the couch watching a Christmas movie. That would be so much fun. Ugh, I like this. This is fun. Now we're gonna go to Indigo. We're shopping for a few Christmas presents and we're missing a few, so we're gonna go to Indigo and see what they have. Hopefully we're able to find all the gifts that we're missing. All right, so we didn't end up finding anything in Indigo, so we're about 5 minutes away from a mall, so we're gonna go to the mall and see if we can't find anything there. I'm crossing my fingers and really hoping that we can, and I'm sure that we'll be able to find something, so that'll be great. And then we do have a few other ideas for gifts, and we know where to go for those. So hopefully we're done today. That would be great. All right, so we're in the car, and yes, my face is absolutely red. Oh, there we go. Because there's a car right in front of us and it's braking. Obviously we're at a light and a little bit of traffic. So my face is red. Yeah, it's rush hour and both of our faces are red. Cute. We did end up finding one gift, which is great. And then we're going to the SAQ, which is the alcohol store in Quebec, to see if we can't find a few things for other people for gifts, because that's all we're missing, right?
Yeah.
So hopefully we end up finding everything that we need tonight. That would be ideal. All right, so we're back home now. We didn't end up getting everything that we wanted. The SAQ was actually empty. There was literally nothing left in there. I've never seen it that empty. It was so weird. But we're back home and I just made myself a snack. So I've got this yummy hummus. It's caramelized hummus, which is honestly, it has to be my favorite. It's so good. And I cut up some carrots to eat with that. And then also, when my cousin was living here, she bought like these garlic breads and there was one left. So Amy, if you're watching this, I'm eating your last garlic bread that you left in our freezer that I just saw that was still there. So sorry for not bringing it back to you, but it looked really good, so I'm gonna eat it. So I'm gonna eat my snack. I'm gonna finish editing the vlog and then I'm gonna go eat dinner at my cousin's. I'm just waiting on her confirmation that she's still available for tonight, because I know she had a really big work day today, so just waiting on that. And if we don't do it tonight, no, we'll do it another night of the week. So we shall see, but I will definitely bring you guys along if we end up going there. If I end up going there. Rectification, I'm going alone. Alex is gonna be staying here. He's finishing up his last project. I'm currently sitting on the couch editing the vlog that's supposed to go up today. And I've got my cat laying down right beside me. He's being so cute. Oh. Hi, Coco. I love him so much. He's so cute. Hi, baby. He's looking at me like, what are you doing? Just leave me alone while I nap. I don't bother you while you sleep. Don't do it to me. Ugh, I'm obsessed with my cats. They're so cute, so sweet. I love them. So I'm currently getting ready to go to my cousin's house. So this is a fit. We're gonna go in all comfy clothes. So joggers are Aritzia, crewneck is Aritzia, and then puffer is Aritzia. Wow, I'm all Aritzia. And I'm also gonna put my hat, which is also Aritzia. Like, who knew I had this many Aritzia pieces in my wardrobe? That is very cool. Anyways, getting ready. I'm gonna head there right now. We're gonna make dinner, we're gonna do our nails, and I'm not done posting my vlog. It's all edited and exported, which is good, but I have to actually post it on YouTube, so I'm bringing my laptop to do that as well. So let's go. Okay, so I'm walking to my cousin's house, but I just wanted to do a little shout out to my brother Anthony, who did not want to wear his hat like this the other day. So Anthony, if you're watching, look, your big sister is wearing her hat like this, and so should you. Hey, what is up guys? I'm with my cousin. She just made us dinner. Look at this. Look at how freaking amazing this looks. This looks so good. They're Greek bowls. I learned the recipe from you guys, so I was like, I'm gonna make something nice. And we got it from, what is it called? Good Food. Oh, Good Food. Good Food. They have such great, what did I just say? Wait. They have such great recipes. Yeah. It kind of looks like we're at a restaurant with like the big light. Oh, we're so fancy. No, but we are at a restaurant right now. Let's tell you guys, but we're out. I'm fancy. I'm drinking chocolate milk like a child. I have straight vodka on ice. So she's not driving back home. No, I'll be sleeping in the kitchen at the restaurant or something. Of course, because that's how gorgeous girls do it now. Exactly. Gorgeous girls sleep at restaurants. This morning I was going around the apartment and I was like, gorgeous girls, and I was looking at my cat, so I'm like, gorgeous girls are named Nala and Bea, and they sleep all day. Gorgeous girls. Alex was like, what are you doing? Yeah. And I was like, gorgeous girls know what I'm doing. He might just not be a gorgeous girl, so he just doesn't know. He just, but talking about cats, just because we bring up cats, guys, watch out, because there's gonna be a video of me and Isa getting a kitten soon. I'm so excited. Keep a lookout because it's gonna happen. Well, we're not getting a cat together. Guys, no. I've got 4, but she's getting a cat, which is so exciting. Like, you've been talking about this for so long. I love cats. I love cats too, obviously, if you guys couldn't tell. Yeah, so we're gonna go get a cat from me sometime. It's exciting. So we're gonna eat dinner. The only way to eat Greek bowls is by adding tzatziki on top. So that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna like chit chat and maybe do our nails. Yeah, possibly do our nails after, listen to some Christmas music and just relax. That's that. Like, I don't know. Well, I'll update you guys if we end up doing anything interesting. Hi, Milo. Hi, Angel. Hi. Alright, so I am back home. My cousin and I watched some Gretchen Garrity and we had so much fun and we really laughed a lot and it was just a good time, which felt good and it was fun. So that was just a nice evening for me to have. It is now 11:06. So I'm gonna go wash my face and then I'm gonna head to bed. So I thought I would just come on here to end this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more, and I will see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Bye guys.